Welcome back to Hypotenmoose Kitchen and part 2 of multiplying mixed fractions. We just left you with this fraction right here. And so let's take another look at how the distributive property is going on with this thing. I'd like to write on this again and think about this as 1 plus 1/2 times 1 plus 1/3. It's just an interesting thing once we look at it as two sums multiplied together. That's a little easier to watch how this happens with the distributive property in our diagram of area. I'm going to use some grid paper this time. And I'm going to identify the length. Right. The length in this direction as our 1 and 1/3. Notice that I've created a length of thirds so that it was easy for me, excuse me, to identify where 1/3 would sit. Here is our 1, but I'm only going to create that in something that's easy to half. That's 1 and 1/2. And once I identify those dimensions, I end up creating a grid that I can count quite easily. This is 1. It's 1 times 1 is 1. This is 1 times 1/2. This is going to be 1/2. This is a 1/3 piece. And that 1/3 times 1/2 is 1/6. But I can see that in other places as well. Notice that this whole is divided naturally into sixths. This is divided into those same size squares. So is this. So we can count again like we did in the last video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus that 1 is altogether 2. 1 plus 6 equaling 2. So we have a grid paper model for distributing the product of sums.